Hi everybody, this is Bonnie, and I am doing much better. Thank you for all the get well wishes. I have felt like I haven't done a video in a while, so, and the last one I did kind of camera moved out of place and all that. I'm really sorry, but I think you got the gist of it. But I'm gonna do a few videos today. I'm not sure which order, which one will come in when I post them, but this is one that I want to show you. I'm going to show you it's using the For the Birds stamp set. And I've got a few little tips and some ideas, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp our image. Now on this image, it says down here in the bottom, thinking of you. I didn't want to have the thinking of you on my card, so if you don't want that, but you want like the image, a way to prevent it from stamping is if you just take a post-it note and on the sticky side stick it right over top of your I better get a fresh one. Stick it right over top of the words that you don't want to have on there. Just for a little tip here. And then just take your stamp pad and you can just stamp as normal. Just like that. And then you remove that and there's no ink where the letters are. So then I'm just going to stamp this right down and see, voila. So that's my tip for the day. Color it in. Now I took an old creamy caramel and I'm going to color in the bird. Real red. Here it is. And I colored in the little heart. And then I took pumpkin pie and I colored in the little beak. So that's all the coloring. Okay, then I took a 1 3/8 inch circle punch and I punched out the little bird. And then I took soft suede and I'm sponging just the outside really lightly, just a little bit, like that. Okay. The next thing I did was I cut down a piece of Midnight Mousse. It's one of our new in colors, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. And what I'm going to do before I do anything with it, this is how you can save some paper. I'm going to punch out a scalp circle with that. I needed a scalp circle right there, and you're not going to see this, so you might as well try to get the use of the paper, because I'm going to put this designer's piece of paper over top of it, so you will not see that hole there. So the next thing that I did was I ran this through the embossing folder. So I ran that through the Big Shot. Then the next thing I did was I took a piece of Designer Series paper that is 3 inches by 5 1/4, and I'm going to put this on here. This paper is out of, let's see, what's the name of this pack? International Bazaar. Yeah, International Bazaar is what the name of this paper is called. So we're just going to put some adhesive, and we're just going to line this up right here. So it's right there, like that. Now, to get the little point that's on our card right here, I took the 1 1/4 inch square punch, and if you put it in, and if you line up each point to the sides right here, so it looks like that. If you line them both up, oh, I moved it, and then punch it out, you're gonna get a pretty even piece. So it looks like that. Then I went ahead and I stitched around this card. I just did some, little stitches. Okay. I'll let that sit for a minute. And I see my paper's a little too long here, so I'm going to trim this off. Okay. Then we'll put this piece in the middle. Kind of trying to center it. It's like that. Then I also took some Midnight Moose ribbon. It's stitched ribbon. I just took, I don't know, a little extra because I'm going to do the cheat bow. And I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back. Oops, sorry if that was off camera. And then I'm just going to kind of do a little cheat bow. And what I mean by that is I put the strip across, a knot I should say, and then I take another little piece and I put it on here, and then I just tie a knot. So it's kind of, it comes out like I made a bow, but a lot of my ladies like to do this because they have some trouble with making bows, and this just makes it easier for them. And I've kind of turned this bow. There we go. You can move it down a little bit. Okay. So then the next thing we're going to do is I took a piece of 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm scoring at 4 1/4 piece of cardstock. This is Whisper White. I'm going to add some snail. Okay. Put that right there. Then I took some Stampin' Dimensionals. I think I have everything all over today. Oh, before I did that, I got out my piercer mat and my little piercer here. And I just, oh, I do need a Stampin' Dimensional. And I put this on here first. And I use that as a guide. And I just kind of pierced all the way around in every little square. Okay. Then I'm going to add another dimensional. And I'm going to put this right about there. And that is my card. That's my card for today. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.